No phone in a miss. I'm not give Pitney no.
Welcome people, welcome to another YouTube video. Now this time I'm going to be talking about the recent voice notes that have been appearing because Jamaican people are struggling with this new normal, this new idea that we have to work from home and we have to learn from home. The kids and the parents and the teachers, they are suffering.
Lord Jesus.
But oh gosh, let us get into these voice notes because some of them just quite disastrous.
Box cover.
Alright, so this first voice note now, it involves a child talking to them teacher. Now the child basically just take a listen.
I'm not chat back, I'm not even a voice note your back. I put the phone on charge and I go watch back the show. Cause for long be there, so but me write off things and then when they done you go chat about teacher not take it but still write it. Me not write nothing. You so much me dep on it, me not write nothing. You read and turn back way, me not write. If you read and turn upside down or back way, anywhere they not turn. Me not write.
This is crazy.
No, honestly, I just the way all the Pitney say, put the phone on charge. Like honestly, but boy, oh boy, the poor Pitney, Jesus beam. Can we move on? And then you have this message with the student, I guess, to their teacher. And the student basically say, yo, I'm just stressed out right now. I can't bother with this. I just want to relax now. I'm tired of this now. I'm fed up.
Dongs. Me go tan dongs. This Google something now work for Virginia. Me go tan dongs. Me done with work. When I say me text back and not me done. Like me typically, me mentally, me abusively, verbally, sexually, every alley done with work. Me done. You better me dongs than a me yard and text. That me get my degree already. Me no want no more degree.
It's too much.
I know at this point I cannot wrong the student because I've been there. Me know what it feel like ambitious is a hell of a thing, you know. You understand, you know, when you're ambitious, you take on a whole heap of stress in your life. You know, you could just walk listen and don't, you know. But it's so when you want more for yourself, you have to take on all of them problem here, which is cool. And I saw it took a workout in the end, yeah, girl. And oh yes, how much leave off this voice note, this one that really went viral with this young man, this student, this little kid by the name of Sheldon. Breathe.
Miss, I am taking a break right now.
Sheldon, we have a set time for break and a set time for lunch. You don't decide when you take a break, alright? Just sit and wait until we say it's break time.
No, Sheldon fully bad. Sheldon said he might take a break. He is taking a break. And at a break time, him say, whether or not it was on the schedule, Sheldon, you're the woman, you deserve the break. Boy, you see why we have to talk about mental health because the Pitney go through it, you know. How easy it is to just sit down in front of one tablet or one laptop screen for the whole entire day and just like stay focused, especially as a child. Who? Me couldn't do it. I do not know where this one come from now. This is for the bigger kids. Them some kids must say at CMU apparently. That is what they say online. And there was, I guess, a Zoom call and some people in there decide to start to get romantic. Yeah, very disturbing. Yeah, I could have read it better than like that. I just some carelessness. I know, as a matter of fact, them probably not nothing for real, but you know how people just always try to be interesting and funny in a class. Yeah. Now another student who was stressed out is this person who couldn't really get ready for the exam and also cannot pronounce a particular word.
what kind of test? No, tomorrow test diagnostic test for start.
Well.
No, I mentioned earlier, say you have some people where you're going with the whole heap of badness. Now imagine you have this big Zoom video call go on. The students are on there and in the chat somebody decides say they want to just stand out and be funny. So they're going to be said that them eat something there.
When you typed a message inside there, and I'm very ashamed to actually read what you just wrote. Has been copied and will be measure for you and placed on your record card. That's your first infraction, sir.
Please do, sir.
You see them something why we can't be a teacher. I hope when people are looking at these videos, them get to understand so your teachers deserve a raise of pay because for deal with Pitney like this, make sure it can't easy. Oh my gosh. No, in 2020, if you're a teacher now, you know them Pitney here, like them Pitney here will tell you straight as it is. They are very brutally honest. Here what this young man said to the teacher and how she can basically do better in the classroom.
Good morning, miss. I'm born at yard. Me not feel to do work because when I do work at yard, we can't all hear what I say. And if you come out with a little vibe.
The brother want more vibes. I know what? I feel like this was a whole Satan thing because if you listen to the voice note closely, you can hear like your mother, auntie, or somebody in the background kind of push him on, egg him on. Now, this one of the voice notes here is now for a parent to a teacher. Now, me don't know what's going behind the scenes, but the brother look like say he is no longer with his woman or the woman that he did with a year ago, and he want the teacher to know say, yo, do not call my number because I am no longer the father of that child. I do not know what kind of moral test happened, and him find out say, yo, it might have been a jacket, a shirt, a shoe, something, but yeah, something in a something right here, so.
Yes, you can delete this number 356-8107. After this, I am no longer parent of that child. That child is not mine, and I need that my name or number on that file to delete and off the group. I did tell the last teacher last year about it, and I don't know why she didn't get rid of my number, so.
Something alright, yeah.
No, when I tell you say like mental health is a serious thing, it is very important, and only for the parents them don't realize say all of the stress we are going, them anxious, them depressed and all kind of things, and they are taking it out on the kids. And we know it's a Caribbean thing, but that don't mean say it right. So now look on this child who decides they want to engage him teacher. I guess him have the phone and him talk to the teacher, and the parent, oh gosh, Pri.
Good morning, teacher. My name is Tariq. God. No, not Tariq. God. It's a fucking.
No man, them something that look good man. Like the parents man, enough your control, no rage, no anger. It no look good at all. We know so we not deal with it, but we have to just try to make sure we don't deal with it. Not in front of the kids them man. Come on.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I feel so bad.
I know you have this one now with a child and another parent. Now it look like so the child must have the wrong number, and you know must have the phone and things they might talk to the teacher when it's really another parent, and the two of them decide to have a back and forth.
Hello. I'm waiting for some work, but I didn't have anything to do.
This is not your teacher. I am a parent. I am not your teacher.
Then I figure out so.
You can look a ranking face the picnic. You have to tell me something I forgot answer. I said to you, I am not your teacher. I am a parent. How me I go along? What you want me to do? Or what you want me to tear up some bad word tell you?
Should not do that, parents. You're a parent. You're kids.
Here, come on my phone and don't send me a voice note to my phone again. Otherwise, I'm going to check it out and I'm going to go your parents. I said, I am not your teacher. I am a parent. I am not your teacher. So why you keep on texting my phone and bothering me? Go get some manners, little picnic.
No, really? This other one? So the parent is there fully well arguing with the child? No, granted, you know, you have some people who could have been spoken to from before, and then probably just decide so them just want to just be humorous, and them just want to just like bother the woman. But like, come on, man, it could have been an honest mistake. You're older, you know better, you could have lead differently, man. Oh my gosh, man. Oh my gosh, you know, so sometimes I got Terry put up and say a lot of Jamaican people do not read, that you will have something in the description, and they will be in the comments to ask you what kind, when at the event, when it is right there in the description. And it seems as if, you know, some people are, you know, not a lot of us are critical thinkers, and this whole entire moment going on with the whole school system, schooling, trying to shift to this new format, it's proving to be difficult.
Are we supposed to just pick some random letters to fill in the blank, because I didn't see an example or a instruction to show or something to read to figure out the sentence that is here.
No, if you look on the picture, you know, you can clearly tell. Well, you can't really pick up say ABC or go on, but like the parent never really max it out at all. Oh my gosh, you know, it did take me a little while still, so I'm not gonna say nothing. It took me about 30 seconds before I pick up Wagwan. And then finally, I want to leave you with this voice note now with a parent to a teacher. No, let me tell you, you know, like a lot of the students do not have the equipment. A lot of people don't have laptops, they don't have internet access, they don't have papers, the stuff them for print. Most of them don't have a phone that they can give to their child separately to communicate with the teachers. And so, what me tell you, you know, is like, it's a whole shift is happening, and, you know, everybody I deal with it, from teachers to students to the schools, everybody I deal with it. And so this one now, I guess this period now, I have to tell the teacher plain and straight, say, yo, I can't give my pitney the phone because I have one phone and I have my message them I get and all kind of things, and I can't make my pitney come spoil my blessing. Take a look.
Miss Robinson, I don't have no phone, you know, miss. I not give pitney no my phone. I not leaving my phone with no pitney for me. Know when me win a lot of them I call me and can't get me a picking them again. Kids school in your yard, we pay for it. Or if me get one phone, we make you know. Me not let me phone give no pitney. For me I buy a lot of hard phone with you.
Boy, I do not know. This is it for the voice notes I'm going to be sharing. Let me know which one was your favorite voice note. What is this telling you when you look at the whole Jamaican educational scene right now? What you're getting from everything where your mama played earlier on. Please to leave a comment down below, as well as to like, share the video, subscribe if you are new. That is it, man. This is just like a quick little video, so hopefully you're going to enjoy it. So peace out until the next time. Oh, follow me right here, so at Duttyberry Show. Bye-bye.
Box cover.